The ultimate eulogy. The earth as a planet will die, having lived a full life of high. The universe will keep in its memories, its evolution plan and efficacies. You see, when the earth was born, out of a star it was torn. It had nothing but gases, with varying masses and classes. The earth worked to enrich itself, creating compounds of intense depth. Gases combined to create a liquid. One burnt, another essential, together creating an extinguishing fluid. Earth enriched itself some more, fueling energy from its core. When atoms compound and matter peaked, then we saw the growth of seed. As plants evolved in shape and size, Earth smiled and diversified. Insects, birds, and reptiles created an environment versatile. And this evolution continued. Mammals came in auto-tuned. The earth nearly did optimize its cycle of enrichment paradise. Now it did not take millions of years, as there were many a small pairs who lived in a flawless symphony, complementing each other's company. The math worked beautifully. Grass, deer, tiger balanced perfectly. There was no waste nor byproduct. Sustainability was the conduct. Animals don't prey when they aren't hungry. When fruits decay, they exalt the fertility. This evolution was designed pragmatically, leaving no room for scarcity. Herewith, this renewed stability. It was time for a new divinity. A species evolved with mental facility, hardwired with thinking capability. Humans arrived with an inherent ability, not just touch, taste, smell, sound, and sight, but his imagination and creativity that makes infinity a possibility. Humans can imagine anything and work to make it a something. Although this imagination serves well, mostly, there is a huge byproduct that's quite costly. From hunter-gatherers to civilization, humans learned the strength of coalition. Concepts: money, power, race, and God. Are they uniting us, dividing us, or scheming fraud? We believe in these concepts unconditionally and pass them on generationally. We quantify learning with marks, educating, teaching, and retaining scars. When make-believe becomes bigger than reality, thousands will perish and die in a casualty. We may not have young children in sight when nuclear power yield their might. Neither will be their green fields nor play, their innocence, sweetness, and sentience at bay. All lost to power and greed, resultant of many a misdeed. The earth, no longer enriching itself, might need a little bit more of your help. What is good? Is it enough? What do you see? Are you going to be able to predict the future be? In a far, far away galaxy, someplace else, another planet will feel a new pulse. Maybe another species will evolve from lizards and conquer their internal consciousness blizzard. Who am I? What's my purpose? Am I standing here, there, or versus? Does choice really exist or not? Stuck between knowledge and thought. Maybe this new species will evolve differently and understand this one simple reality, that existence itself is the gift and coexistence is the ultimate drift.